Hello, good morning students. This is your Naveen sir. Today we are going to say something about the sentence in first chapter. Here are sentence. Sentence means होता है वाक्य. Sentence means क्या होता है वाक्य. First of all, in your earlier classes, you are know about the sentence. What is a sentence? So here are given the definition. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. यानी जो सेंटेंस होता है उस शब्दों का क्या होता है, समूह होता है जो हमें देता है क्या, कंप्लीट सेंस यानी पूर्ण अर्थ. हियर आर एग्जांपल. राम इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. इट इज अ सेंटेंस and the sentence is made by the words. Here are Ram is word, is word, playing is word, cricket is word. There are four words. That means you know about it. One more than one words is called group of words. More than one words is called group of words. So it is the group of words and group of words called sentence. So sentence is a group of words that make a complete sentence. Now here the another example. Playing Ram cricket is. It is a sentence. It is a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. Because in a sentence, it is a word, it is a word, it is a word, it is a word. It is also called a group of words. But it's not called a sentence. Why? Because it is not in a proper order. So, it is not called sentence. And not give a complete sentence. This sentence is not given complete sense. Given complete sense. So it is not called a sentence. It's clear? After that I am going to say something about the types of sentence. Types of sentence. There are four main types. There are four types of sentence. First, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, assertive sentence, and statement. Types of sentence. First sentence is a declarative. It is also called assertive. It is also called a statement. After that we are second, interrogative sentence. After the next types is imperative. And other one exclamatory. Declarative sentence is also called assertive and statements, and second one interrogative sentence, and third one imperative sentence, and four exclamatory sentence. That means declarative means घोषणात्मक वाक्य, and interrogative means प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य, imperative sentence means होता है आदेशात्मक वाक्य, and exclamatory sentence means विस्मयवाचक वाक्य. Now I am going to say something about the declarative sentence. First, डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस या स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस टेल us more about subject. Or something. Declarative sentences are end with. Noted down that declarative sentence end with the full stop. Is the full stop. Example: the dog is barking. Here are the dog is the subject, is it the helping verb, and barking is the main verb. The dog is barking. It is a statement and says something about the subject. Says something about the subject. It is also called the declarative sentence. Here are the barking is the main verb that says something about the subject dog. After that, your next types of sentence is interrogative. So I am going to tell something about the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we ask some question about the subject, about anyone. So interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence, ask in interrogative sentence we ask some question. We ask question, and interrogative sentence end with interrogative marks such as. Example: what is your name? In this sentence, we are asked some question about anyone, about another one. So it is called interrogative sentence. After that, we are third sentence that called imperative sentence. That means आदेशात्मक वाक्य. Imperative sentence give a three types of, give a three order, give a three expression. Like one order, and other was advice, another one request. That means in imperative sentence express. What express? Express order, advice, and request. Order means आदेश, advice means सलाह, और request means प्रार्थना. Here are the imperative sentence expresses. Example of order. When I know that Which type of sentence is known as the imperative sentence and also known as first imperative sentence? Here are the example of order. Don't shout. Don't shout. That means chillao mat. Here are given the order to anyone ki don't shout. After that, advice, and the example is always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. That means सदैव सत्य बोलना, हमेशा सत्य बोलना. यानी here are given the advice, always speaks the truth. After that, request, please clean the. In this sentence, anybody request to anybody to please clean the room. After that, your next sentence. That's pause the video and note it down. Next, your types of sentence for is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. That means विस्मय सूचक वाक्य. यानी in exclamatory sentence, feeling, expression, express in exclamatory sentence express some sudden feeling. या strong feeling. In exclamatory sentence express sudden feeling and strong feeling. That has an example is, what a pretty dress. What a pretty dress. It is the exclamation mark of the exclamatory sentence. It is used in a end of the sentence. It is used end of the sentence. What a pretty girl. कितनी सुंदर लड़की. So here are exclamation mark. It is also exclamation mark given when you not know that it is sentence or exclamatory or imperative. First we know that the exclamation mark in the other sentence. After that we are going to say something about the formation of interrogative sentence. Formation of interrogative sentence. कैसे आपको अगर सिंपल सेंटेंस है तो उस सिंपल सेंटेंस को आप कैसे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में बदलेंगे. फर्स्ट, यदि किसी भी वाक्यों में हेल्पिंग वर्ब दिया हो तो अगर हमें उसको उस वाक्य को अगर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करना है तो उसके हेल्पिंग वर्ब को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वाक्य के पहले रखना पड़ेगा. इसके बाद आप सब्जेक्ट, मेन वर्ब एंड कंप्लीमेंट, ऑब्जेक्ट, कंप्लीमेंट एंड अदर थिंग्स यू राइट इट. Example that Ram is playing cricket. Ram is playing cricket. Here Ram is subject, is helping verb, playing is main verb, and cricket is object. So I say you, when the any sentence helping verb come in the between of the sentence, so first we write the helping verb when made a interrogative sentence is, after that Ram playing cricket and the interrogative marks. It is a interrogative transformation of simple to interrogative. First, you know that in each tenses and sentences, kinds of sentences like that, present, past, future, many more, its subject, its subtenses, and each one sentences given a helping verb, but two sentences have not given a helping verb. Like that, simple present, tense, and simple past tense. Simple present and simple past tense. It does not have a subject. It does not have a helping verb. So how I will change the simple sentence, simple present tense into interrogative? Some are rule. Simple present in an interrogative sentence. As you know about it, interrogative sentence has a two types, such that as no type question and WS type question. As no type question in simple present tense, we use helping verb do and does. Do is used with I, we, they, and all plural subject, and does is used to he, she, it, and all singular subject. When we are going to change simple present tense in any sentence like that, affirmative, negative, any. So that example is the dog barks. Here are the dog is subject and bark is main verb. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो हमें इस सेंटेंस को पहचानना पड़ेगा कि ये सेंटेंस किस टेंस का है। आपको मालूम है जो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होता है, तो अगर ही, शी, इट है, सब्जेक्ट आपका ही है, शी है और इट है या एक वचन का है, तो उसके क्रिया में एस और ईएस क्या होता है, ऐड होता है, जुड़ा होता है। जबकि जो दे होता है, वी होता है, यू होता है एंड आई होता है, इसकी क्रिया में एस वनली वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्रयोग किया जाता है। तो यहाँ पे आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के नियम दिए गए हैं। जब इंट्रोगेटिव एस नो टाइप क्वेश्चन बनाना होता है तो हम सबसे पहले डू और डस लिखते हैं। इसके बाद इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है do, does plus subject plus वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस कंप्लीमेंट। ये आप सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस वो भी एसनल टाइप क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए है। तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे सब्जेक्ट आपका किस टेंस, सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है। तो सब्जेक्ट आपका सिंगुलर वर्ब में है, तो सिंगुलर वर्ब के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, डज। तो सबसे पहले लिखेंगे डज। आफ्टर दैट सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट कौन है, द डॉग। डज द डॉग बार्क एंड द क्वेश्चन। आफ्टर दैट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। Simple past tense, you know the structure of simple past tense. Subject plus verb second form plus object plus complement. It is the structure of simple past tense. And if there is example of simple past tense, he went to market. Here the went and the second form of the verb. How to change simple past tense into interrogative? As you know about it, in interrogative sentence, in the simple past tense interrogative sentence, we use helping verb did with the all subject, with all subjects, and the structure is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus other plus question mark. So here you write first as did plus subject, subject means he, and after that verb first form, went ka first form go, and the other subject mark and question mark. Sir, it's a first, note it down. Okay, thanks.